Bay came home today with the sniffles. So, as a wife, it's my duty to make sure my man gets healed, to feel healthy and whole. I'm dropping a few pieces of ginger in this raw honey. I added a pinch of thyme, and now I'm putting some ground turmeric in this cough syrup. And here's my special recipe. I know it looks crazy, right? I gotta tell you about it later. I'll put y'all up on game. But it's something that the bees make as well. Honey isn't the only thing that they make, you guys. It comes from inside the hive. And then I poured this tincture that's made from mullein, added some lime, just a little kick, and gave it to the hubby.